those issues. So Benue, it's calm, relatively calm, peace, also relatively out there, and we're hoping for the very best. If there are a number of issues, one, two people would like to question on the political atmosphere of the state, I know there had been some agitations from the very APC faithful after the primaries, but I believe that it's going to be quite calmed down. Mr. President, it's a Democrat who understands this. He is a grassroots person, and we're working for APC all together. I am very confident that as I won the election, even at the first time, we're going to double the numbers for him. And